increase of technology utilization in our environment in Yemen, the expansion of international markets, weak national infrastructure, high taxes and licensing costs, illegal importation of foreign products, lack of well-trained employees. And total quality is very important to improve these companies, and the importance of total quality is in this way. Adopting total quality management is crucial for local companies to enhance product quality and improve the internal environment. And this study aims to measure the proper implementation of total quality management to achieve a competitive advantage. And when companies achieve competitive advantage, they are going to be able to survive and compete among others. Consequently, they will support the economy of the country. Research problem. The research problem is constructed in the following question. Does total quality management have an impact on achieving competitive advantage in the manufacturing companies in Yemen? The sub-questions are, I will mix them in one question. Do continuous improvement, focus on customer, focus on human resources, strategic planning for total quality management, and top management commitment have an impact on achieving competitive advantage in the manufacturing companies in Yemen? Research significance. Bearing in mind that the private sector is an essential asset for the country's stability due to its important role in the development of the economy in Yemen, it has become necessary to start new total quality management strategies, strategic techniques and processes that increase the quality of the local products in order to meet the international standards to gain access to the international markets. By doing this, an organization can survive and compete strongly among others. Consequently, it will be ready to support the economy of the country. From the conceptual model, we can notice that the independent variable is total quality management, and it includes the following variables: continuous improvement, focus on customer, focus on human resources, strategic planning for total quality, top management commitment. And the dependent variable is competitive advantage. Also from this diagram, we can notice the hypotheses. The main hypothesis of the research is the relationship between the independent variable total quality management and competitive advantage, and it says that there is a significant impact between total quality management and competitive advantage. And the sub-hypotheses are the following: continuous improvement has an impact, a significant impact on competitive advantage, on achieving competitive advantage. Focus on customer has a significant impact on achieving competitive advantage. Focus on human resources has a significant impact on achieving competitive advantage, and so on. Methodology. The research method that was employed according to the study's type, which is explanatory, the quantitative method was employed, and it was achieved through a survey-based method using a questionnaire and cross-sectional analysis. The population, the targeted population of the study is the employees of Shaybani Group of companies. And the unit of the analysis is according to the organization's level. The sample size is 117 employees according to Christian and Morgan. And the random sampling is the sampling technique that was process of the descriptive analysis took place. The measurement model analysis and the structural model analysis, all of these achieved through using glass. Let's see. Yeah. As the results show here, after the analysis, the results revealed that there is a strong significant impact between total quality management and achieving competitive advantage. This is the result of the main hypothesis. And we can notice that from the table and the shape. And the results of the hypotheses, the sub-hypotheses, showed these results. There is a significant impact between continuous improvement and achieving competitive advantage. Also, there is a significant impact between focusing customer and achieving competitive advantage. There is a strong impact between human resources and achieving competitive advantage. However, the results show that there isn't a significant impact between strategic planning for total quality management and competitive advantage in the manufacturing companies in Yemen. And also there is not a relationship or a strong, significant relationship between top management commitment, which means leadership, and achieving competitive advantage. This is the model for. And finally, the recommendations. The study recommended the following 10 recommendations, and in the thesis, every single recommendation here was explained in the handout. The recommendations are comprehensive integration of total quality management. The explanation of this is available in the thesis itself. Investment in continuous improvement programs, customer-centric approach, strategic human resource development, evaluation and adaptation of strategic planning, enhanced top management commitment, regular monitoring and adjustment, capacity building for total quality implementation, collaborative learning and benchmarking. Benchmarking means analyzing, evaluating. Establishment of total quality metrics. Metrics means standards here. And this is a very short introduction, my presentation about my thesis, and thank you for listening. Thank you everyone, and it's your time, examiners. Thank you.
شكرا جزيلا للطالب على التزامه بالوقت قبل المحدد، وننتقل الان الى الاخ العزيز الدكتور هشام رياضي بإدارة. فليتفضل.
السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Thank you very much. Because we are already late by half an hour, so let's go to the one directly. Thesis is titled The Impact of Total Quality Management Practices on Achieving Competitive Advantage in the Manufacturing Companies in Yemen. It is a study case of Shaybani Group companies. Let's start by the abstract. If we, the question, how many times you have written this abstract?
Yeah, abstract.
Yeah. How many times? How many times you read it?
Actually, I have summarized it, and this is another draft of the abstract.
It could be written better. And before you are going for alignment and make it pretty, try to make some changes in your abstract. Because you are talking about dissertation or a thesis. This is your thesis for your master degree. Line number 2, you are talking about this paper is to explore the implementation. this.
They are not.
Yeah, so try to make changes be accurate.
Synonyms. Synonyms for the same
You
meaning.
have to be serious when you are writing in your thesis. And it could be shorter than this.